Hello and welcome to another update video about Bonk. Bonk might have topped there in wave 3. Finally, we'll see. To confirm something more bearish, I need a break below 27721. Even though I don't necessarily think that this fourth wave would go down that much. All right, I mean, that's the lower boundary of that box. Idea is that we have a 3-wave move up so far. That could be the third wave. Watching for some evidence that the fourth is starting. I mean, don't necessarily assume this is already that fourth wave. I mean, it's like the microstructure is not very clear. You know, on some altcoins it's a bit clearer, like for example on Solana or on the ADA chart at the moment, or what else? For example on Polygon. You know, microstructures are fairly clear. Bonk doesn't present us with a very clear microstructure, so I'm not too confident that Circle Wave 3 has really topped. It's currently based on the idea that we have certainly seen an extension in the third wave, which, well, it's long enough for a third wave, right? And we've broken the trend line, so it could really be that fourth wave pullback now, right? It could be, but I need a little bit more downside, right? This is not yet, I mean, if this is the fourth wave, then this should spread out a little bit like the wave 2. So again, I'm not very confident it is yet that wave 4 because I cannot read the microstructure very well. I could probably even make the case for one more high, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is just what it is because microstructure doesn't really give me that much insight. I mean, I would make something up which isn't very helpful to you. I'd rather prefer to give you support. It's not necessarily a target. Because it just tells us which level the price needs to hold above in order to keep climbing. So that means if the price enters that support region, which is located between 44810 and 27721, it could be a reasonable place to look for an entry for anybody who wants to do that. I can only highlight to you those 4 Fibonacci levels between the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level and the 61.8 retracement. We've got 4 there. 44810, 37296, 32154, and 27721. Looking for one more high before the next more substantial top forms, even though I'm actively looking for reasons to be a bit more bullish even. Okay, so this would for now be a 5-wave move. It works at the moment for us. Currently, you know, playing around with some ideas, you know, maybe the fourth wave was finished here and then there's a larger one too, and then, you know, we would even stretch out further. I need to work on that a little bit, but for now, this serves its purpose. I mean, at the moment, the idea is that this is some kind of a triangle maybe, but or a WXY even. There are different interpretations that apply here. Could even be a high wave B and we drop down again, but that again, that would require a break below 27721. So at the moment, I'm simply looking for higher prices as long as we're holding above that orange support region. There's no evidence that we have formed the major top until we break below that level. So overall still bullish with the possibility of even one more upside extension. And it's quite simple. If we now see a break below the Tuesday high at 60141, then we'll likely test the next upside fib level at 66534 before that larger fourth wave starts. Yeah, and that could happen. You know, that could happen, and you know, that there's no way to, let's say, predict that, but you can watch for upside breakouts above these previous highs, and you can watch for evidence that we are getting some upside momentum. You know, that might be a rally to the next upside fib level. Certainly, the idea is either up from here, you know, or if we go lower, it would be this support region to watch for support. So I'm not bearish on Bonk. No, I'm just highlighting maybe we have started that wave 4, but I'm not very convinced yet, especially because the pullback so far is really corrective. And the larger wave 4s haven't really started yet in the crypto sector. Okay, we only see shallow pullbacks at this stage, so I will not rule out one more upside extension. That's the update about Bonk. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.